Hello friends, how are you? I'm again back with some magical tricks. If you are facing problem how to start teaching tables to your little one initially, then my dear friends, this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you some magical tricks and tips. If you follow it, then you will definitely teach them very easily. So, without wasting our time, I would like to move on to our first one concept, which is known to unknown means addition to multiplication. Kids learned addition in previous standards, right? So, they are very much familiar with this. So, start it from addition. If you start something from where which is already known to them, then it will definitely enhance their interest in learning process and also boost their confidence. After that, it is necessary to explain them what does it mean. So the simple meaning of multiplication is repeatedly addition of same numbers, right? So explain them this thing by some example. Suppose you have two apples, right? And I will give you two more. Then how many apples do you have now? 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Again, I will give you two more apples. Then how many apples? 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Again, I will give you two apples. Now it will be 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. So it is not feasible. We can't write down like these way. Otherwise, we will make a mistake. So we should write down these in short form. That's why in place of 2 plus 2, we should write down 2 two times. In place of 2 plus 2 plus 2, we should write down 2 three times. This is meaning of multiplication. And after that explain them. 2 threes are is equal to 6 and 3 twos are 6. Means if you interchange both numbers, then you will get same answers. Means if you take 2 apples 3 times, then your answer is 6, and 3 apples 2 times, then also your answer is 6, right? After that, teach them table in one particular sequence. Like we should teach them table of 1, 10, and 11 first. After that, concept of odd number and even number, so they can learn table of 2 very easily, right? And after that, table of 5, 3, 9. And for table of 539, I already made videos on that and kept links in my description box. You will get it from there very easily. Now move on to next concept, which is elimination concept. Now you can see two charts on my screen. In first one chart, I wrote only answers of tables. Means 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Then only 2, 4, 6, 8 I have written on first one chart. You can see this horizontally and vertically in first one chart in orange zone, right? After that, if your child learned table of 1 to 5 very well, means he had learned table of 6 till 6 fives are table of 7 till 7 fives are table of 8 till 8 fives and table of 9 till 9 fives are. Now, I would like to eliminate some areas which is already known to your child, so we can know that how many areas left to learn. See, only these many areas left. You can encourage your child by showing this method. Isn't it very easy method? Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and share.